No action, sir. With the action.
Bring your bat.
Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. Ba. Ba action. Okay.
Good morning. Say good
Next is
morning.
C. Ah. This is the action. Very good. Clicking castanets. Good. Next.
See me play on my drums.
Very good. Next. Where is the action? Ah. Very good. Well done. Well done, Madhuvanti. Next is Hazel. Hazel.
Come on.
Hazel, ready?
Come here. Ready? Come on. Start.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sukriv Gautam. Hazel, what alphabet is this?
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come.
Come on, Hazel. What is this?
Say. Hey.
What is that? Hey, what is that?
What is it?
Start.
What is there in your hand? What are you having in your hand, Hazel? What is that?
Move it. Come on, start, Hazel. Hey,
Come on, Hazel.
come on, start. Say.
What alphabet is this? At least identify the alphabet. Come on.
Come on.
Hazel. Okay, we'll call Hazel later. Next is Ananya. Ananya. Okay, phonics. Ah.
Loud. Loud. Say.
Okay, very good. Answer my arm is A sound. Okay, next.
Capital B, small B.
Small B. Very good. Ba. What is the phonic sound? Ba. Very good. Ba. Over. Next. Next. Tell me the sound alone, children. Only the sound.
Only sound.
Clicking castanet.
Ka, ka, ka. That is the sound. Okay. Ananya.
Ananya, listen, ma'am. Listen, ma'am.
Listen. Ananya, மேம் வந்து சவுண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்கன்னா லெட்டர் பார்த்து சவுண்ட் மட்டும் கக்கன்னு சொல்லணும். நான் வந்து ரைம்ஸ் பாடுங்கன்னு சொன்னாதான் ரைம்ஸ் பாடணும். ஓகே, அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? புரிஞ்சுச்சா? ஓகே, அண்டர்ஸ்டுட்? ஓகே. இப்ப சொல்லுங்க, சியோட சவுண்ட் என்ன? வாட் இஸ் தி சவுண்ட் ஃபார் சி?
கிளிக்கிங் கேஸ்டனட். க சவுண்ட் மட்டும்.
வெரி குட். க. வெல் டன். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் டி க்கு வெறும் சவுண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லணும். ஓகே. குட் மார்னிங் மா கேஷவ்.
சொல்லு.
Okay, very good. Let us sing. Da. Very good. Da. Next. Crack the egg like this. Hey. Ananya, say small.
Say small. Small
சொல்ல வேண்டாம். Small சொல்ல வேண்டாம். Mall சொல்லுங்க. Say mall. Mat. Mummy. Mango. Ah, very good. Now say small. Not salt. Small. Okay, like that you have to say small. Sink your lips and say, okay. Very good, Ananya. Thank you. Next is Varsha. Ready? Varsha is ready.
Ready, ma'am.
Okay.
Capital A, small
Phonic sound.
Sound alone. Sound alone.
Sound alone. Ah. Okay, see how ma'am is saying. Children, all of you look here.
Stop.
1 minute, Varsha. Sorry for disturbing you. When I ask you, only the sound mattu sollanum. Don't sing the rhyme. Ah. When I show you the card, you must say ah. When I show you the B card, ma'am காட்டும்போது ba. Only that is enough. Okay. Next C card. When I'm showing you C card, ka. Next D card means da. Next for E card, only the sound. Okay, Varsha, ready? From the beginning, Varsha, okay? Come on, Varsha. Very good, Varsha.
What is that?
Very good. Well done, Varsha. You understand very well. Good girl. Super. Well done. Okay, very good, Varsha. In this way, everyone have to answer. Okay. Next is Mitra. Yeah, welcome, Kana. Next is Mitra. Mitra. Only the sound மட்டும் சொல்லணும். Okay.
பாட்ட தேவையில்ல சவுண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லு.
Very good. Very good. Super. Good. 1 minute. Super. Very nice. Good. Yeah, I can hear. Next. Very good. Next. Sorry. Next. Super, Mamitra. Next is Jason. Jason is ready? Yes or no?
Yes.
Come on, phonic sound. Phonic sound.
Phonic sound.
Have to do it and
Sound.
What is the phonic sound?
have to do it.
Okay,
Second.
next. Next.
But
Very good. Next.
மேம் தலையில
Sorry. Okay. Next.
இது என்னது?
Ka. Very good. Next. Da. Well done. Next. Very good. Well done. Thank you so much, Jason. Next is Sukriv Gautam. Come on, fast, children.
என்ன சவுண்ட் இருக்கு? ஏய் இது என்ன?
Eggs in the pan. Sound மட்டும் சொல்லணும். Sukriv, sound alone. Sound மட்டும். Sound. Okay.
நெக்ஸ்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் சொல்றாங்க மேம்.
bring your button.
இல்ல சவுண்ட் மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. ஓகே.
Ba.
நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன் கேட்பாங்க மேம்.
The bathroom.
ஓகே நெக்ஸ்ட் இது சொல்லுங்க.
Please pass your mask.
Ka. Okay, good.
பாடாதம்மா சவுண்ட் மட்டும்
It's
சொல்லுங்க.
okay. It takes time for them. Okay, no problem.
இது என்னது? இது சவுண்ட் என்ன?
Oh my God.
இது என்னது? சவுண்ட் என்னதுமா?
Okay, that is the sound. Okay. Next is Vihan.
Good.
Very good. Very good, Vihan. Good. Good. Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much. Dashwan. Dashwan.
Yes.
Come on, fast, children. Phonic sound. Only the sound, okay?
Sound மட்டும் போடு, sound.
Very good. Da. Good. Da. Next. Very good. Eggs in the pan. Keshav. Unmute yourself. Very good.
Baba.
Super.
Kiki.
Kikia. K. Clicking castanets, okay?
Dada.
Good.
E.
Very good. Taruneshwar. Very good. Taruneshwar.
இரு மேம் கமெண்ட் பண்ண சொன்னேன் ஏ ஆன்சர்
Very good. Only the sound. Okay. Next.
இங்க பாரு பி சொல்லு லீக் என்ன சொல்லு ஆக்ஷன் பண்ணு
B. Next.
சி
This one. K. Good. Next.
போதும் இது டி
Very good. D.
இங்க பாரு இதுக்கு சொல்லு ஈ
Eggs in the pan. Okay, Kavi Kartika, ready? Come on, we'll finish and start the session. Time up. Ready? Okay. Good. And Samya. Good. B. Good. Next. Super, Ma Kavi Kartika. Very good. Eggs in the pan. Radhyani. Radhyani is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, Radhyani. Very good.
Yes.
Super. Very good.
Check.
Very good, Ma. Super, Rakana. Radhyani அம்மா சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க. Correct only. Action correct தான். Eggs in the pan. Okay. Very good. Anyone? Hazel. Now will you say Hazel? Only you are left out. Hazel.
Come, Hazel, come. Mom is calling you. Come. Come sit here. Come.
Come on, Hazel.
Come no.
I didn't note down for your observation. Come on, Ma.
What is this?
Finish it.
There.
Hazel.
Say, come down. Come here. Come.
Oh my God, Hazel. Okay, children, is there anyone whom I left out? Is there anyone I didn't ask? Everyone I asked, right? Is there anyone? Except Rudvin. Others, everyone answered, right? Okay, thank you. Is Sarah present today? Except Sarah. Sarah and Hazel only missing. Hazel, end of the session, you have to wait, Hazel. Please finish my observation, Hazel.
Say okay, ma'am.
Okay. Sarah is present today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sarah, come on.
Sarah, sound bolo. Sound bolo.
Sound. Come on, Sarah. Good girl, Sarah.
आवाज से बोलो सुना हमने.
Very good. Good. Next.
A, B.
Da. Ba. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Ba. Okay. Next one.
C को क्या?
Glittering castanets. Ka. Okay. Next. Da. You have to watch the phonic rhymes regularly, Sarah. Next is E. Eggs in the pan. Okay. Sarah's mom regularly make her watch that phonic rhyme. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Let's start our session. Time up. Join your hands and close your eyes. Keshav, repeat after mom, Keshav. It's the anthem. Keshav. Keshav is not there, huh?
Are you?
Okay, Sukri Gautam, repeat after mom. Come on. It's the anthem.
Satama.
It's the anthem.
Satama. First in the morning, baby.
You are within me.
You are with me.
You are infinite.
Tonight.
You are unique.
You are
My potential inside.
I potential inside.
You are the wings
You are knowing.
beneath my flight.
You need my flight.
You define me.
You define me.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Today I pledge
You then I pledge.
with all my might.
Oh my God.
I shall achieve you.
Sad to see.
My potential inside.
My potential inside.
Yes, good morning everyone. Ready for the warm up? Don't sit down. Good morning. Good morning, children. Ready, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
What's going on? Ding ding.
It's very good. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on.
Bueno.
Yes, attendance, come on. Very good, Dashwan. Hazel.
Say here I am. Say here I am.
If you're not saying here I am, I'm going to mark absent for Hazel.
Here I
Shall I
am.
put absent for Hazel?
Yeah.
Very good, Hazel.
Ryan,
Next.
ma'am.
Very good, Jason.
Ma'am.
Very good, Keshav.
Here I am.
Very good, Maradhyani.
Here I am.
Very good, Rudvin.
Here I am.
Very good, Sara.
Here I
Very good, Ananya.
am. Here I am. Here I am.
Very good, Sukriv Gautam.
Here I am.
Very good, Visha.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Kavi Kartika.
Faster. Right. Or like medium.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mahirini. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Mitra. Next.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Tarneshwar.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Barsha.
Here I am.
Very
Here
good,
I am.
Vihan. Yeah, good, Vihan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, children. Today, another activity you will be doing, children. Parents, please record an audio of family rhymes. Family rhymes, that is mummy daddy rhyme. That rhyme you have to record an audio and send it today. That will be the homework today. Okay, mummy daddy rhymes, that is the family rhymes. Everyone should send it. It is for observation. Okay, children. Okay, next shall we move on to our another activity? All of you take your 4-line notebook, English notebook. Come on, take your 4-line notebook. Take a fresh page, take your 4-line notebook. Ready? All of you have written your name very well. Well done. But next time when I ask you to write your name, follow the lines. Those who have not followed the line. Okay, many of you have written between the 3 lines, 4 lines notebook between the 3 lines. Very good. Hats off. Those who have not followed the line, next time please follow the line. Okay, but very good children. All of you have written it very well. Hereafter in your worksheet, you yourself will write your name. Hereafter your parents are not going to write your name. If your name is very big, write it in short. Okay? Your name is very big, small, little bit, you just shrink it and write. Don't need to write the full name in your worksheet. Okay, children. Now first identify the alphabet what I am writing. What alphabet is this? Unmute and answer, children. What alphabet is this? A. Very good. And the phonic sound is A. Small a. And the phonic sound is A. Okay. Next letter. A standing line and a front side curve. What letter is this? B. Very good. Well done, children. B. And the next alphabet is
C.
C. Very good. C. Okay. Now the next one. Standing line and back side curve.
D.
D. Very good. See me play on my drums. D. Very good. Now what are you going to do is you are going to draw a balloon. Draw a big balloon. Draw a big balloon. Okay. Draw a big balloon and inside that parents you write and give them B and D. Alternatively write and give it to them like this.
Okay, பெரிய balloon.
B and D alone. This is for children, those who are getting confused, which is D and which is B. Okay, for B, B, what you will do?
அங்க நோட்டை பார்த்து போடுவி.
B means standing line and front side curve, front curve. Okay, for D, standing line, you will put the curve back side. That is D. Okay,
எங்க போய் எடுத்துட்டு வா.
finish.
எங்கட போய் பாருங்க.
Mute yourself, children. All of you, those who have unmuted yourself, please mute yourself. Take 2 colors in your hand. One is green color, dark green color, and the other one is red color. Green and red. Take 2 colors, color pencils or crayons. A big balloon. I have drawn a small one. Parents, make sure that the balloon is big, as much big as the sheet. And what shape is the balloon, children? What shape is the balloon? Is it circle? Very good. Very good, Sukriv, Gautam and Keshav. Oval. Well done. Finish drawing it. Ma'am is going to come back. Yeah, 2 colors. First, take your red color. Parents, observe whether they are circling the correct letter. If they are doing it wrongly, please let me know. First, take the red color. Red color in your hand. Finish drawing, everyone. Drawing and writing part, you can do it and give it to them. Parents, it will take a lot of time if they are doing. Everyone is ready. Let me see your thumbs up if you are ready. Thumbs up, children, if you are ready. Good. Varsha is ready. Sukriv is ready. Good. Still, who is drawing and writing? No one, huh? Okay. Shall we start? Take the red color in your hand. First, you are going to circle B alone. Only B. Standing line and front curve. Front curve. Why, Ma Mitra? Don't cry. I'll ask your mama. Don't cry. You're such a good girl. Don't cry. Come on. Circle B, Mitra's mom.
B மட்டும் சொல்லு.
Circle B kanna, come on, don't cry, good girl.
இதுக்குள்ள
Circle பண்ணுங்க நீங்க, come on.
இதுக்குள்ள B எது சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க.
Circle B,
B எழுத சொல்லல.
Mitra. அழக்கூடாது மித்ரா, குட் கேர்ள்ல மித்ரா, come on. Circle பண்ணுங்க, B circle பண்ணுங்க.
அது B ஆ
சரி, நான் மேம் கேக்குற அப்புறமா நீங்க சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க.
இருக்கும்.
நான் மேம் கேக்குறேன், நீங்க சர்க்கிள் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகே,
விளையாடக்கூடாது.
சர்க்கிள் சர்க்கிள், கம் ஆன், டு தி ஆக்டிவிட்டி.
நீ B கரெக்டா எழுதிருக்கல. B சர்க்கிள் பண்ணு.
Varsha, finish. Where is your notebook, Varsha? Only B.
வேற எங்க இருக்கு B?
Front curve.
நல்லா
Back curve means it is D. Don't circle D. Only B you are going to circle. Vihan, look properly and circle. Front curve.
ரைட்டா பண்ணு. கரெக்டா எங்க இருக்கு B?
Sukriv Gautam.
B மது சர்க்கிள் பண்ணிட்டா போதும்.
மேம்
One
B சர்க்கிள் பண்ண சொன்னீங்களா?
B, only B. Why I am not audible?
இல்ல மேம், நான் ஸ்கெட்ச் தேட போயிருந்தேன்.
Okay. Red color with red color. Circle B.
கரெக்டா
Very good, Keshav. Good, well done, Keshav.
ஓகே.
B. Is there anyone having doubts in B?
ஓகே.
B. No one should teach them. Parents, please don't teach them. Then only we'll know the state, how they are able to identify B and D. If you are teaching them, then there is no use of conducting any activity. Whatever activity I am conducting, there is no use at all. Please don't teach them. Just observe them whether they are identifying it correctly. In case if they are not identifying, please let me know.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Sukhdev
Sukhdev.
identified D, ma'am, and he's also rounding D, saying D,
Why,
and he's
Sukhdev?
circling.
That only you have to insist him. Only B. If you are circling D, then it is wrong. I will not give you star. I will not give you smiley. Like that, you have to tell him. Because he is
ma'am.
not
But-
having control.
But he's saying what he's trying to communicate is that inside curve is B and backside curve is D. He's correctly identifying both. But he wanted
Okay.
to circle alone. That is okay, no, ma'am?
That is okay. But just insist him
Okay,
not
okay.
to circle all everything.
Oh,
Whatever
everything,
ma'am
okay.
is saying, that alone you circle. That is the correct way. Like that, you just insist. Okay, finish, children. Everyone, show me your notebook. Come on, let me see.
மேம் காட்டு.
Come on, show me your notebook. Good, Tisha.
இங்க காட்டுங்க மேம் கேக்குறாங்க.
Jason, very good, Jason. Well done, Vihan. Very good. Very good, all of you. Now,
Rounding B, ma'am. Then she
Okay.
start to round D also.
that's what you have to say. Stop. Only B. Stop. That the out of our enthusiasm they will do. It happens among children. That is not a big issue. But சொல்லுங்க, stop பண்ணு, இதுக்கு மேல பண்ண கூடாது. That's it. Okay, next is D, children. Come on, take your green color and circle D.
B எங்க இருக்கு?
D. Back side curve.
மகிழ். அந்த
Back side curve. Standing line and back side curve. Back curve.
காஃபி வேணுமா வேணாமா? காஃபி நான் சாப்பிடுவா?
D. Very good.
சொல்லிட்டாங்க. இது T மட்டும்.
Well done.
இந்த கலர் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். green color.
Very good. Only the left out one you are going to circle. It's going to be easy. Come on, do it fast.
இல்ல ரைட் ஹேண்ட்ல தான்.
Very good, Ihan.
அப்புறம் பண்ணா. green color T எங்க இருக்கு?
Parents all, please put your mic on mute. Mahishni father, please put your mic on mute and teach her.
Ma'am, a small thing, ma'am. Jason.
Yeah. Tell me, Jason's mom.
Ma'am, he's not going line by line every time. It is a problem, or how can I teach him? Like even
Line by line. What do you? I can't understand what you are saying.
in
Line.
the book, right? You will say, right? You'll say to circle small b, all right? In the book also.
Okay.
So he will just randomly go, but he'll finish it off. But line by line, he
That's
won't. And he'll miss
That's
something.
it. Out of enthusiasm only, it will take time.
Okay,
Whenever
okay.
he is doing, you just tell him line by line. That's what I'm also telling him. Run through the lines with your finger. When
Okay.
you tell him to go through the lines, then he will do it in the same way. That will take time.
Okay,
It
ma'am.
will not
Because
happen with every
he's
children. That is
missing
not an
line.
issue at all.
Okay, ma'am.
No, no. Out of enthusiasm only, he has to finish the book, whole book. That's it.
Because
It's
of that,
not a big
he's
issue.
missing few lines.
Yeah, that's it. At last, he has to check it. You just tell him, you check it again whether you have circled everything. At that time, he will come through the lines, all the thing. He'll check whether we have missed out anything like that.
Thanks for your advice.
Yeah, welcome. Very good, children. Everyone have done correctly. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Now all of you are clear. Which is B and which is D? Okay, now close your notebooks. Look at the screen, children. Come on. Look at the screen, everyone. Close your notebook. Capital A, small a. And next is capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Next is capital E and small e. Okay, today we are going to learn a new letter that is small e. Okay, phonic sound of e is a, and the phonic rhyme is eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, E for elephant. E for engine. E for envelope. E for egg. Here, egg. E for earth. Earth is our planet, okay? E for ear. E for eagle. Okay, now take your worksheets, all of you. Worksheet number is D14LT. D14LT. Children, after the session, I request all of you to color today's date, children. I forgot. Okay, so please color it without fail. Okay, children? And the date is 2222 dash 7 dash 2121. 2222 dash 7 dash 2121. And write your name here. Okay. Finally, also you can write your name, or else you finish writing E, and then when you have time now, you can write. But date you have to definitely write, children. E. See here, how will you write E, children? A sleeping line. First, you have to draw a sleeping line, and like C, you have to draw a curve. That's it, E. All of you took the worksheet, huh? First, a sleeping line here. First, a sleeping line. Okay, first draw a sleeping line, and then without taking your hand, you draw a C alphabet. That's it. C. How will you write C? A curve, right? Like that, draw a curve. Very easy, children. E. Children, 1 minute, look at the screen. Look how ma'am is writing E. A sleeping line and a curve. Sleeping line and a curve. Without taking your hand, have to draw a curve. That is E. See here, sleeping line first. Write a sleeping line and without taking your hand, C போடுற மாதிரி போடணும். That is E. Right, Ma Hazel? Very good. Those are finished. Did you write your name on top of your worksheet? If you have time, come on, write your name on top of the worksheet. Next page E. You have to take it as homework, children. That will be your homework today. E. Very good. Very good. Ananya, how much you can write? You can write now at least for one line. Then the rest of the lines you take it as homework, Ananya. Okay? Because you don't have that blanks, right?
So I've just made a sample here, ma'am, just for 2 lines.
Yeah, fine. Thank you, Ananya's mom.
Yeah, ma'am.
Shall we move on to the next worksheet, children? Yeah, very good. Well done, all of you. Finished, everyone? And the next worksheet is D13 empty. And the number is 14. We have finished till 1, 3, 13. Now the next is number 14. 1, 4, 14. Write today's date and start writing, children. 1, 4, 14. Before that, we'll finish off counting. This is group of 10. Okay, group of 10. This is 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that, you have to count it and then start writing. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Group of 10, circle the group of 10. After 10, you will get 11, 12, 13, 14. Counting by group of 10 is very important. Parents, please circle and tell them that is group of 10. 10 க்கு அப்புறம் 11, 12, 13, 14 in singles. Okay? Keshav, don't count it, ma. Group of 10, circle group of 10. Don't count 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Hereafter, we are going to count after the 10s only. Straight away, we'll go to group of 10. And after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Like that only we'll count hereafter. One, 4, 14. Children, while circling also, you should say group of 10. Sukrit Gautam, group of 10. Then 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14. Now start writing the number, children. 1, 4, 14. Spell and write. I want everyone to spell and write. Varsha, spell and write. Let me see. 1. What number you are writing, Varsha? What number you are writing?
14.
Very good. 1, 4, 14. Good. Thank you, Varsha. Spell and write, okay? Jason, what number you are writing?
14.
1, 4, 14. சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதுங்க. Come on. Spell and write.
1 and 4. 14.
Good. Very good, Jason.
14.
Very good, Taruneshwar.
14. 1 4 14. 1 4 14.
Madhvanti, what number you have written, Madhvanti?
1 4 14.
Good. Well done. 1, 4, 14. Well done.
Hey, it's a good take on that.
Ananya, what number you are writing?
1 4 14.
Good. 1, 4, 14. Parents, if your child is not able to pronounce any specific letter, please let me know. You can stay after the session and please let me know if they are able to pronounce all the letters well and good. Because while reading phonics and all, letters pronunciation is very important. So please let me know if they are finding any difficulty to pronounce any specific letter and sound. Finished, Varsha? 1, 4, 14? Visha, finish? Visha, you look different today, Visha. Why? All because of that braid, ah?
Nisha, ma'am.
What is new today with you? This braid, ah? Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Not in home, ah? Are you out of town?
Yes, ma'am. Came to mother home, ma'am.
Okay. Mahini, what number you are writing? Very good, Jason.
என்ன நம்ம எழுதுறீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
Very good, Keshav.
Hey, 1 4 14.
1, 4, 14. Mahilini, don't be playful while writing, Mahilini. Spell and write. Very good, Ma Keshav.
And that.
Hey, yeah.
What is English content?
Those are finished. Take your slate and chalk paste. Very good, Visha. Those are finished. Keep the book as it is. Okay, don't close it. But take your slate and chalk paste. Those are finished. Where those are writing, keep on writing, no problem. Those are finished. Take your slate and chalk paste. And now I want you to write from number 1, 0, 10 till 14. 14 வரலும் நம்ம படிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா? So till 14 we are going to write. First you are going to write 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10. Write 1, 0, 10. Next number will be 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. First write 1 0 10. Then write 1 1 11. Those who are writing in your worksheet, do it slowly. No need to hurry up. I'm telling this only for those who have finished. If you have finished, you can take your slate and do this. No need to waste time. Madhvanti, take your slate and write 1 0 10, 1 1 11. Next is 1 2 12. 1 2 12. 1 2 12. Mahilini, if you are running, no star, no smiley, Mahilini. Have to sit in one place and do. See how much you are troubling your dad. Come on, finish it.
சொல்லுங்க 1 4 14 1
1 2 12. Finish, children. 1 2 12. Next number is 1 3 13. 1 3 13. And the next number 1 4 14. Now we wrote, right? 1 4 14. So till 14 you are going to write. Very good, ma Radhyani. Very good improvement, Radhyani. Jason, well done. Nisha, very good till 15. Very good, Varsha. Beautiful handwriting, Varsha, yours.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Kana. 14 finish. Still who is writing in your worksheet? Still who is writing? Very good, Keshav. Ananya, very good.
Vishnu is writing.
Very good, Radhyani. Vihan, still worksheet you are writing, ah?
Yes,
Why,
ma'am.
Vihan?
He was out
You
for
used to
5
write
minutes.
very fast, right?
No, he was out for 5 minutes for this.
Okay. Okay, now the next worksheet, I'm going to tell you the number. Those who are writing, write it and then do this worksheet, okay? Very good, ma. D13LT. D13LT. Here you will have C and D alphabet. You are going to match the pictures. Trace the letters and match the pictures to the correct letters. Write today's date. And start matching and tracing. Till first finish tracing it and then you match it, okay? D13LT worksheet. Keshav, C for Kaka. Kaka. What?
C for
Candle. Very good. And then C for another picture also you have. What is that? Duck, cat or drum? C for cat. Next is D for duck and D for drum. That's it, children. Very easy worksheet. Well done, ma. Keshav, good. D for drum. Duck, duck, duck. Duck, duck, drum. Kaka, candle. Kaka, cat. Very good. Dashwan also finished. Very good, Dashwan. Now he's okay, wa Dashwan? Sitting, ah.
Today, okay, ma'am.
Today okay, wa okay. Hereafter don't complain. Dashwan is a good boy, okay? Okay, Dashwan. Dashwan, good boy, dane. Good boy, or bad boy, ah? Good boy, okay. Very good. Well done.
Ma'am, ma'am, any news on the school reopening?
I myself don't know. You have to ask a center head.
Oh.
Ma'am,
Even
Jason struggle in L, ma'am.
Jason is struggling to write Ella.
No, not writing L. The pronunciation of L.
Sorry?
You said right. If he has any difficulties.
Pronunciation. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please wait after the session?
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
What in it?
Mute yourself, children. And finally, another thing is there. Come on, finish your worksheet, close it.
Madhuvandi finished, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone finished it, close it, children. Finished, Very good. Those are finished, close your book. And now we are going to learn about golden words. Okay, what is golden words, children? Come on. Anyone knows what is golden words? Yes? What are the golden words? Golden words means the words which you use to pacify others. When others are getting, they will not get angry if you use these words. Okay? So the words are sorry. Very good, Vihan. Sorry. Thank you. And then excuse me. Please. Welcome. Okay? So sorry when you will say. Sorry எப்ப சொல்லுவீங்க? When you will say sorry? When you will say sorry, children? Sorry ன்னு எப்ப சொல்லுவோம்? Correct. Very good. ஏதாவது தப்பு செஞ்சா we'll say sorry. Yes. If mummy is saying இது எடுக்க கூடாது தப்பு அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது when you go and take it, that is wrong. Okay? Then mummy will get very angry. So at that time what you should say? Sorry mama. Sorry daddy. Hereafter I will not do like that. You are going to say in that way. Okay? And then when will you say thank you? Thank you எப்ப சொல்லுவீங்க? Thank you when will you say? Yeah, very good. Gift வாங்கி கொடுத்தா you will say thank you. Very good. And then please எப்ப சொல்லுவீங்க? When will you say please? Please எப்ப சொல்லுவோம்? உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது வேணும்னா if you want to go and play, okay, if you want to go and play, if you want something, if you want chocolate, at that time you will say please. Okay? And then may I, excuse me, and may I when you will say when you want to do something. Okay? When others are standing in your way, if you want to ask them to move, you will say excuse me. Okay? So now today we are going to see about the golden words. Sorry, thank you, excuse me, may I, please. So these are all the golden words. See here, when you will say sorry, can you see the boy, he is saying sorry, he has done something wrong and he is saying sorry. Okay, and here you see thank you. This boy is saying thank you. Why?
Ma'am,
எதுக்கு thank you சொல்றாங்க?
it's not visible actually.
Not visible. You can pin my name. 2 vanilla will be there.
No, in that it is not visible, ma'am. What you're showing is not visible.
Everyone, can you see, or only Sukri Gautam's mom is facing the issue? Visible.
Okay.
Sukri Gautam's mom ஒரு arrow போடுக்கும் பாருங்க. அத pin பண்ணி பாருங்க.
Okay, ma'am.
Now it's visible.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Presentation. That is presentation. Okay. Now when will you say thank you? See here, the boy is giving pen to his friend. So his friend is saying thank you. Friend ஒரு பென் கொடுத்த உடனே இன்னொரு friend என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Thank you, like that. Okay. Next, please. The girlக்கு ஏதோ ஒன்று வேணும். She wants something. So she is asking her friend, please can you give me your pencil? Please can you give me your eraser? So at that time you will use please. And next is welcome. Welcome here, he is welcoming his friend. But welcome, when will you say? When someone is saying thank you to you, in return you will say welcome. Okay? See here. Sorry. Sorry, see the face. See the expression, sorry. How is it, children? Very calm, right? Sorry. And then see here. Thank you. When you get a chocolate from your mama, you'll be happy like this, right? Thank you. Okay. Next is please. Please send me a pic. Please. See the facial expression. Please. Please கேட்கும்போது எப்படி இருக்கு பாருங்க உங்க face. Please. Okay. So please. This is thank you. And this is sorry. Okay. So don't forget the golden words, children. What are the golden words again? Tell me. What are the golden words? Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. Welcome. May I? Okay, hereafter use all these golden words. Okay, your mama will never scold you, your daddy will never scold you. Okay, children. Okay, that's it for today. Everyone have cooperated very well. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow.